Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we're talking about making more money in your business as a small business owner, as a contractor, no matter what you're doing. It could be your side hustle, but we're talking about how you can make more money in your business. So watch this video as I share with you 3 tactics that you can implement starting today to help you start making more money in your business. So stay tuned. For the best government contracting and small business advice, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Oh, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I put out new videos, which happens every Thursday. If you've hit a plateau in your business and you're stuck and not knowing what to do to take your business to that next level, to start making more money, increase your bottom line profits, then you're going to want to hear the 3 tactics that I'm going to be sharing with you right here today that you can actually start implementing in your business, and they can be your go-to tactics whenever you hit this roadblock. And guess what? It's been proven with hundreds of my clients, and now it's your turn. All right. Tactic number 1 is all about sales and building up your business. So I like to call it business development. This is the first key to increasing your profit margins, making more money in your business. What happens a lot of times is we get out there, we're working on projects, right? And we're so busy doing that because we're working in our business that we forget to work on our business. And here's the thing, sales is something that you should always be doing in your business. And the only way to really make sure that it happens on a consistent basis is that you have a sales process, right? So you have to have a process of always having a steady flow of leads coming into your business, and then a process for working those leads and then closing those leads out into clients, projects, awards, that kind of thing, whatever term you want to use, but you have to take them through that cycle. And so you're going to have to figure out, what does that look like for your business? The other thing you need to know about your sales process and building up your business is, how long does it take for a potential customer to go through that life cycle? So what is that customer journey? How long is it? And that'll help you prepare and be able to make more money in your business. And of course, it's based off of your capacity and your ability to perform. So you have to work on that as well. But the first thing is what? Increasing your business development, having a process around that, and always focusing on sales. Tactic number 2 is all about knowing your numbers. I know people shy away from numbers. Oh, I don't like the paperwork. Well, I'm not a numbers person. You better get over that and get on those numbers. You need to know your numbers at all times. I'm talking about numbers as it relates to, for example, say your workers, right? How much does it cost to have a guy come work with you, whether it's an employee, independent contractor, subcontractor? What does that usually cost for, a day's work, right? You need to know that basic number. Not to mention, how many hours will they have to work to complete a particular task? You need to know about how long does it take to do, to drywall 100 square feet, or to lay plumbing for a 1,000 square foot building, or whatever it looks like. You need to know those numbers, okay? Also, you need to know basic material costs. Like for things that you use all the time in your business, you should know how much the materials cost on average. Of course, it fluctuates, right? It's going to go up, but you should have a basic idea. Of course, you're going to verify, right? But you should have a basic idea of how much materials cost. You also should know your overhead costs. Yeah. And this one is juicy. I'm going to tell you how to do something that, This is definitely going to increase your bottom line profits and help you with making more money in your business. Yeah. I want you to comment below and share with me your one go-to tactic that you have right now that you're actually working in your business that allows you to make more money. So here's what I'm talking about. So when it's crunch time, you're like, okay, I want to make some more money, or, I want to increase our revenue by 10,000. I'm going to do this. What's your go-to tactic for making more money in your business? Pop it down in the comments below. I want to know. So you remember me talking about knowing your numbers? Let me share with you this one little secret that you can use to start making more money in your business and increase your profits. So remember I said know your numbers, how much the project is going to cost, right? So when you tabulate all of that, bam, pop 50% onto that. 50% profit off the bat. Bam, do that. And there you have increased your revenue by what? 50%. Now, of course, that may not always hold true, just depending on the project, the size, and things like that, where 50% may not be able to, you may not be able to do it, right? But try it sometime. See what happens. Pop 50% on there, and bam, watch those numbers increase and watch you make more money, right? Take the number times 50%, bam, that's profit. All right, so here's tactic number 3. I'm not sure if this is the most important one, but it definitely will help you grow and allow you to make more money for sure. And technically, I think if you did this one, it would open up the other two for you as well. Doing more sales and knowing your numbers. And that is, are you ready? Are you ready? All right, cool. Guess what it is? Bam, it's time to scale. You can't do it all yourself. You can't grow a business and you're providing a service all by yourself. You can only do so much. So here's what I say. Tactic number 3 is looking for ways to scale in your business. Okay. Let me look at my notes. Okay. So here's how I like to lay it out for my clients. The first thing you always want to look at is ways to automate. What can you automate in that back office, right? So that it gives you more time to go out and make more money. So automate where you can, right? Thank you for technology, because that'll be your key. And the second thing is creating systems, right? Creating systems around things first, because you have to get it out of your head and be able to share it with other people so that they can help you in your business, so that they can help you be successful and they can be successful at the task at hand, right? Don't set them up for failure. Let them know what the systems are, what the processes are that you're using. And then you have the systems, right? Next thing is what? To hire the right people. Okay? Let me repeat that. This is very important. Automate what you can, create systems, and then hire the right people to help you grow your business. I always like to say lift as you climb, because this is really, really key in that if you do that, lift as you climb, and you're sharing what you know with these people that are helping you grow your business, and you want them to be vested in the growth of your business, then it's important that you share this information with them and not expect them to just come in and get it. Okay, I see a lot of small businesses fall down on this part, and they're going through this cycle of hiring people all the time. And it's like, okay, light bulb moment should come on at some point and say that if you're hiring a bunch of different people and you're firing them, it's not them, it's you. So you got to figure that out. Automate, create the systems, and then hire the right people. And if you're curious about that, I'm going to put a link in the description with one of my books, Entrepreneur Edge, where I think the chapter starts on page 207 or something like that. But I talk about creating systems, hiring the right people that's vested in your growth and helping you grow your business, as well as stepping into being the true visionary leader of your business that you were meant to be. So I'll definitely put that below. So there you have it. Now you know exactly what tactics to start implementing in your business to start making more money. Yeah. If you like this video, let me know, okay? Pop down in the comments and let me know. Well, first hit the like button, right? That'll let me know that you like this video. And then I want you to pop down in the comments below and share the word helpful. Just type in the word helpful if this video was helpful to you. Let me know. I want to know, did you like it and was it helpful? Pop down in the comments and I'll join you down there. All right, so have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you back here real soon. Bye for now.